Hello from Kenai River and Cooper, Alaska. Cooper Landing. I'm here fly fishing for the elusive red salmon or sockeye salmon. Trying it for my first time. It's my first time to here. You can only catch red salmon with a fly here. You're allowed 9. 9 per day, 18 in possession. So, yep, just trying it with a fly. I don't know if you'll see it. Probably not. I just saw one roll, so wish me luck. Very beautiful here. Usually there's like 100 people here, but it's raining and they opened up dip netting. I went to go check out dip netting and it was not for me. It was too crowded. There was like 250 people along the beach. I took pictures of it. I didn't take any video of it. I took videos of the Kenai River mouth side, and that was not also for me. I don't have chest waders. Yeah, I just have hip boots on. So, yeah, I'm talking just to, this is bear country, so you have to keep talking and make sure that they know that you're there. So yeah, just fly fishing, trying to fly fish for red salmon. I'm using the lure that says it's for red salmon. That lure fly. The Kenai River reds. So far there's just seagulls. It is raining. So it's always good to go get out of Anchorage though. The big city of Anchorage. It's always nice to get out. Nope. There's fishing. Trying to talk so I don't get mauled by a bear because there's nobody else on this side. There's some people on the other side, but very far away from me, so trying to make myself known by talking and trying to fish at the same time. At least I saw one roll. I don't see it now. The water is very clear. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it's also raining. That's why probably people are not here. Besides Kistilov and Russian or not Russian, Kenai are open for dip netting. Dip netting is a lot more easier than fly fishing. Fly fishing, you have to go by luck. Also, chance. Oh, there's a bear. There's the black bear. Luckily, it's on the other side of the river. Holy shit! First time I've seen a black bear in a long time. Whoa! Got caught up in an eddy. So that's why you gotta keep on talking, make yourself known, because there are black bears here. I just saw one. Got a salmon and took off. So that means the salmon are running. Alright, I'm gonna go make a TikTok now. Thanks for watching. Make sure and subscribe.